Do you want to set up the TP-Link router as an access point? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: set up the TP-Link router as an access point. To set up the TP-Link router as an access point, log into the router first. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net in your web browser. Log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you sent for the router. Switch to access point mode. For this, go to Advanced, then Operation Mode. Select Access Point and click on the Save option. The router will reboot and switch to access point mode. After rebooting, connect the TP-Link router to your existing wired router using an Ethernet cable. Now log in again. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net and log in again. Select Time Zone. Click on Next. Now personalize the wireless settings. You can change the mode by clicking on the Change Mode option. You can select Access Point Mode. Configure your wireless settings like SSID, password, and then click on Next. Confirm the information, follow as shown. Now the settings will be saved. Once you see the confirmation message, click on Next, then Finish. Now your TP-Link router is set up as an access point, and you can enjoy Wi-Fi on your network. And there you have it, the method to set up the TP-Link router as an access point. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.